What's up everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Now I greatly appreciate that. Follow me on IG, link down below if y'all want to follow my IG page. And yeah, do all that stuff. I greatly appreciate it. Close, we damn near. I made it to 400 subs. Got a long way to go, but I'm gonna get to 1,000, so I'm not tripping. But I'm still having fun making these videos regardless. I know I got a milestone to hit, but if I'm gonna reach that milestone, I'm gonna have fun doing what I gotta do to get to that milestone. So that's all good, that's all dope. So yeah, there's a lot of good stuff coming on the way. I still got a lot of stuff that I need to do content wise. I still gotta do by design. I got everything done, like the sketches are done. They've been done since last year. Yeah, I just gotta find time to squeeze in to get this shit done. So probably next Wednesday I'm gonna really get into it. So I know I didn't drop it this month, but I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna start working on the next week, which is gonna be in February, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. We got a lot of stuff coming, but today's video is about the other brands, as you know from the title, from my series I got going. I'm talking about other things other than human made, just to diversify and show y'all more. Again, I just don't want to stick on human made, even though that's what this channel is all about, is human made. But I just want to sprinkle those other things into my video as well, and I just don't want to become so stagnant and kind of just human made this, human made that. So I just want to show y'all what I got from other brands and things that I picked up from the past week, or past couple of weeks. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. Yeah, let's get right into the first unbox. Well, let's just get into the unboxing. Let's get it. So I got 3 boxes that I got unboxed. I don't know if I'm missing something. Am I missing something? I don't know, for some reason I feel like I'm missing a package that I need to unbox. I don't think I am, but some telling me I am. But anyway, I got 3 packages right here that I'm unboxed to show you all what I got. I got some stuff from, you know what, I'm just show y'all what I got. I don't even want to tell you. You probably just seen the description what I had copped anyway. Well, some of the stuff from like the brands that I copped. So yeah, let me go ahead and crack this open. I'm just picking out the first one from the top of the box. Like the top box, I'm just open. So the first, oh shit, I almost shot them down knife on my dude. So anyway, I don't know what's in here. I think I know what's in here, but we will see. So let's crack this thing on open. All right. Oh, okay, I figured out what was in here. So I had copped 2 items from Karma because they were having a sale, and both of these items are from Billionaire Boys Club. So the first item I had got, which cost me like $25, I just decided to get it. I'm like, why not? Why not? So I had got this dope ass face mask from Billionaire Boys Club, and this is what it is. I got the Billionaire Boys Club face mask. So yeah, I just like the way this looks, just like an oversized print of the astronaut from Billionaire Boys Club. So let me just put it on. I'm not selling this. I'm not selling it. This is for me. Oh, okay. Perfect. So yeah, I thought that face mask was sick. So I had to cop it for the price that it was. And it feel like more of like a nylon on the inside, kind of like very stretchy. And yeah, I thought it was just so sick and dope. And yeah, Billionaire Boys Club, I got this from Karma. So had to get, I may get some more of these that have some more in different colors, but black and white, you just can't go wrong with black and white with anything. So yeah, that's the first item that I got from Karma. And this hat, I had to get it because it reminded me of it just gave me the human made vibes from that blanket that I had caught, like the colorway. It just reminded me of it, and the design kind of remind me of the human made blanket. Like I have it right here, but I got so much stuff on it, but I don't feel like moving the stuff to show y'all the comparison and compare it. But I got another, I got this Billionaire Boys Club hat. This shit is so sick, yo. This hat is just so damn dope. It's a navy blue corduroy hat with this gold rope right here in the front. Can't beat it. Yeah, all is embroidered. And again, it reminds me of that. It reminds me of the human made blanket with the colorway and with the sun at the top. Cause it like if you look at it, it'll give you like that vibe. So anyway, it had like a mountain peak with a satellite on top. If you know, Billionaire Boys Club is about like that astronaut type theme and shit like that. So I like, yo, this hat is so dope in this corduroy. So this would be my second corduroy hat because I have the human made navy blue corduroy hat as well. So I'm gonna try this on. See how this fit. Wear it to the back. Take this tag out. And that shit's still on there. Hold up. There it is. So that's how I look to the back. I normally wear my hats to the back anyway. So This is what it look like to the back and to the front. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wear this a little bit. Let's see. Yep, that's how it would look on. But I like this gold rope though, it helps. It helps. But yeah, caught this hat from Karmaloot. Had to get it. I just thought it was dope. I think both of these items was for sale. Either they was for sale or they had like a sale going on, and I just got a discount code on top of that sale. So I try to pay little to nothing as I could. So this is what I got from Karmaloot. I got this Billionaire Boys Club hat and a face mask. So let's get into the next item. All right, the next item that I got is straight from Japan. And then what I mean straight from Japan, I got it from my boy Bait from Day. He was selling this for $75, and I had to get it because I'm just a huge fan of this anime, and this is my favorite character from said anime. Yo, this shit is hard body. You hear me? Hard body. Hard body. This shit is hard, yo. All right. Oh. And it got some weight to it. Okay, I gotta put the tail on, hold on. There we go. So what I got from my boy Bay from Day is this Gogeta figurine. This is my favorite, was Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. This is my favorite character from Dragon Ball. Well, he's not for Dragon Ball Z. He's more from Dragon Ball GT and Dragon Ball Super. But this character of Gogeta is from Dragon Ball GT. And I really never was a fan of Dragon Ball GT. I just like the two sagas. I like the Baby Saga and I like the Super Hellfighter and the damn dragons. I forgot the name of that saga. But that's the only two sagas I like from GT. But yeah, I had to get Gogeta. I seen this figurine when I was in LA last year. For my birthday, we went to Little Tokyo and we seen this little anime shop. Me and my boys went in there and I seen this action figure, but he was like doing more of a, he was like doing one of his moves instead of having his hands on the side. So I didn't get it at the time, but my boy Bait for Day posted this on his Instagram story. I'm like, yo, I need that, sent him the money. Like, as soon as I seen it, I sent him the money. But yeah, it comes with the tail. So you can take the tail off and put it right back in his butt crack. There it is right there. So yeah, Gogeta action figure. I already got my Super Saiyan Blue God Vegeta. So now I got Gogeta, and I want to get some more of these. I got a lot more to get. I'm gonna put more of these in my room. I'm gonna get some stuff put on my wall so I can put most of this stuff up from my human made stuff to this. So yeah, just look forward to the future of this stuff, and that's about it. So let's get to the next item. All right, so I think this would be the last box. This will be the last one. And this is from a brand called, I don't know how to say it. Is it Ebbets? Ebbets? Something like that. But it's like a vintage brand where they make like stuff like baseball, soccer, and I think that's it, for like different leagues within. Hold on. So yeah, they make stuff from baseball to soccer, like vintage teams and stuff like that, and they'll bring back some of their gear. And I thought this was so dope, and this is really cool. Let's see, yeah, called Ebbets field flannels. So they do from like baseball jerseys, hoodies, hats, and things like that. And this is what the hat came in, like this tissue paper. And as you can see from the branding on here, focus, it has the vintage like graphic design on it. I can show you better, hold on. But yeah, it gives you that vintage look on it. So this is to let you know what this brand is about. So let me know how you say this brand name. But anyway, I had to get, what's the name of this hat before I show y'all? All right, okay. Yeah, so this hat I seen on their site. They had a sale going on. I decided to get this, and it's the hat that I got. It's the Kansas City Cats, and I thought it was just so damn sick. So this is embroidered in, so it's like a patch, and it really is a patch stitched on to the hat. So the hat is navy blue. Oh, what is up with me these navy blue hats? It is weird. But yeah, it's a Kansas City Cats baseball team, and of course it got a strap back, leather strap back, and I can show y'all the tag. Hold up. God damn. So this is what it looked like on the inside of the tag. And take this off. There we go. Yeah, I just think this brand is really sick. Like, I seen, oh, it's a hat that I wanted. Yeah, it was like a, damn, I hate, there we go. So yeah, I need to figure this out because I get tired of this and it gets really annoying. But anyway, they had a hat that I wanted, but it was more of a fitted cap. And I don't wear fitted caps. I ain't wear a fitted cap in years, yo. But this is more like a wool hat. It's more of like the texture is like wool. And I can see where they're trying to go with this vintage vibe. Because I know like back in like the 40s, 30s and 40s and 50s, like this was something they would really wear back then, like during the sports era, like, well, during the sports. And well, in baseball, they would wear these type, I guess, wool. And I guess they're trying to stay true to the vintage as they can. And yeah, I just think it's just so sick the way it looks. It's just so simplistic and just straight to the point. And it was a hat that I wanted. It was called Atlanta. Damn, I forgot the name of the team. But anyway, I'll probably post it on the screen so y'all can see that hat. But it was like an Atlanta vintage baseball team. It was just so fucking sick. It was sick. And it was like a basic hat with just an A on it. But the name of the team was just so dope. I forgot the name of the team. But anyway, this is what the hats look like on. It's to the front. I won't be wearing it to the front, so this is what it looks like on the front. And I'm gonna turn it around for y'all. Yeah, I think it looks better to the back. I'm gonna keep this to the back. Hold on, straighten this up. But yeah, one of the hats that I got. Mostly I got hats. Like, I've been getting a lot of hats lately. And yeah, I had to cop this. I thought it was really sick. I thought it was dope. And it got that vintage vibe to it. And I will be copping a little bit more of these hats. I've seen some other ones that I like from other teams that they had. They got like some Japanese teams, like vintage teams. Like some Latino teams, like Negro teams and things like that, minor league team, like designs on their hats and their jerseys. I've seen some fire jerseys though. They got some dope vintage jerseys on their site. But yeah, I felt like I got more stuff, but I didn't for some reason. But anyway, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.